If I reflect back on my career, I was trained in that French school. It wasn't until I was 41 I started to travel. But what was amazing about travelling was it stripped the blinkers off. Because before then, all I did was look at French cuisine. No other cuisine in the world captured my imagination. I've been asked many times in my life, how has travel influenced my cooking? Well, the truth is, for the first 20 years of my life, 25 years of my life, I was schooled within the world of France. Everything had to be French gastronomy. And then, after my retirement from the kitchen, I started to travel. And I've touched most corners of the earth, but how it's influenced me is enormously. If I think of when I go to Jamaica, when I go to Asia, when I go to Spain, when I go to Italy. Because at the end of the day, it's all about one thing, is the eating and taking pleasure out of the eating. If I look at something as simple as kimchi, the texture, the acidity, the flavour is extraordinary. And there's so many different varieties. In Seoul today, there's 200 different types of kimchi. They've been making it for 2,000 years. And so when you think, it's one of the oldest recipes in the world. And the reason why is because it's delicious. We want to keep on eating it.